Today we're going to be looking at releasing and relieving stress in your animal, physical or emotional. Very simple but very, very effective, known as a first aid technique. You simply place your hand on the animal's forehead, just above the eye line, and you hold there for 20 to 30 seconds. If you're fortunate enough that your animal is as content as Fudge is here today, that's wonderful. But if not, then you may need to incorporate it with something else that the animal enjoys. So if your dog really likes a stroke down the lower back or on the right side of the body, one always gets to know those areas and those places that our animals like to be touched. You can include it while you're holding the animal's forehead, and that won't affect the technique at all. Essentially what's happening here is the hand is acting as a magnet. So you're drawing blood to the brain, to these two different hemispheres, these two different lobes here, and it's creating a balance. And when there's a balance, a chemical balance in the brain, it allows that to flow throughout the rest of the system, creating calmness in the body and then in the mood as well. Remember that techniques like this are best repeated. So to use it on a daily basis, even if the animal is not distressed or in any pain or discomfort. So the animal will get used to this, and it will also get used to having a natural brain balancer and body relaxer every day, so that when something does happen, let's say your animal gets a shock or a fright, or you can see is just not him or herself, then when you go to this point, he or she will be more comfortable and allowing for you to do so. You can also add one other further element with that, and you can place your hand if there is any pain, tension, stress, discomfort anywhere in the body. So Fudge here has some shivering around the belly area, and by placing my other hand on this area, while the first hand remains on the forehead, we're creating a healing circuit. And this allows the body to bring balance to the different systems within the physical body, and that will then create its own natural balance, which allows for self-healing. And that is the lasting healing, the one which really lasts the longest. So again, one needs to use repetition. Sometimes you notice a response immediately, but you may need to repeat. So you can hold this for as long as the animal allows. If you notice the animal starts moving or feeling uncomfortable, let go, step back, and you can go back maybe half an hour later and repeat.